Well, when it comes to COVID-19 information and data, it can get confusing and sometimes it can be difficult to get in touch with the health department because they can only do as much as their resources enable them to. And that's where we want to help you out here at KOAM. So on our website, and we're going to pop this up here, you can see we have a lot of resources available, but specifically our coronavirus local HQ. Now, let's take a look at this for a second because I just want to make sure you understand how it works. We're trying to consolidate all this information. So control room, if we want to take this next one here, look at this. This is our local HQ. We've got all these stories here. I don't know if you may have been here already, but we've got even more than that now. So then if we continue to scroll down here, you'll see we have 3 states worth of data. And with that, we have information about case numbers. We have information about death totals, cases, I mean, you name it, everything you need to fully understand the situation, not just in your state, but in your county as well. And if we click through some of these, you can see we go through and we also have vaccination information. So the vaccination overview for Missouri, for Oklahoma, for Kansas. Let's take Oklahoma, for example. I mean, in the last 7 days, it kind of breaks down the vaccination data from there. And so Stacey Strader, our web editor, she works very hard to make sure this information is as up to date as possible. And if we keep going here, I mean, we also have not only stories, but we also have our contact form. And our contact form is ultimately where we want your feedback, we want your questions and everything. So at the bottom of that page is a contact form to just be able to fill it out if you have a question about COVID-19 vaccine information, whatever it may be. That's also on our vaccine information HQ page. And we're going to break that down during our Fox Hour over on Fox 14 at 7 o'clock. And we're also going to be breaking that down with Stacey on our Facebook page later today. So we have all this information for you, and it's right there at your fingertips. Just go to koamnewsnow.com/vaccine. We'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News right after this.